Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices and starting AirPlay because that's the simplest path. Make sure the MacBook and Google TV share the same Wi-Fi. Different networks prevent discovery. On Google TV, enable AirPlay in settings so it accepts connections. Then, on your Mac, open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring, selecting the Google TV name. Once done, you'll see a connection prompt on the TV. Accept it there to grant permission and allow audio and video to stream. Next, you refine display and audio so content looks and sounds right. On the Mac, open System Settings and go to Displays. Decide whether to mirror the Mac or use an extended desktop, because mirroring duplicates content while extended gives extra space. Adjust resolution and scaling to match your TV's native pixels, and switch refresh rate to 60 Hz for smoother motion if supported. Then open Sound and choose the Google TV as output so audio streams to the TV, and finally you complete the session and know how to recover if issues appear. When finished, stop mirroring from the Mac Control Center to free bandwidth and battery. If you experience lag, dropped frames, or missing audio, first restart Wi-Fi and reconnect both devices. This clears common network glitches. If problems persist, or you need maximum reliability and 4K with low latency, plug the MacBook into the TV using a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Wired output bypasses wireless limitations and ensures consistent playback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.